YouTube channel.
Tena.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to share, subscribe, share, comment. Okay, today I'll be demonstrating a project. It's called a muscle strength detector. Its design is pretty simple. So I'll be demonstrating how the gadget works. It's based on Arduino. It uses a load cell which converts its signal from analog signal to digital signal, which it's really readable by the microcontroller. In my case, I'm using the Arduino Uno as the microcontroller, LCD, a battery. So the system should supposed to be portable. Okay, so I'll just power the gadget. It has a 12 volt charge connector.
Ukuwe loud.
I'll just power the gadget. Until it start up. So what I'll be measuring is my muscle strength. I'll just hold the gadget like this and try to press it. So when you're pressing, you'll observe that the digits are rising, and it'll try to change the display. It's just a pretty project, simple. You can try. It's just comfortable. Okay, and that's all with the project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you to the next video.